Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find personal settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click account information. Here as you see you'll find personal settings. You can manage your birthday and that's it. That's how to find personal settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.